Found something wrong with your CIBIL report? This video will help you understand the process of reporting inaccuracies in your report. Now, let's get started. To initiate a dispute process, visit our official website www.cibil.com. Go to Dispute Resolution tab and select Consumer Dispute Resolution for reporting inaccuracy in your CIBIL report. Before reporting an inaccuracy, read more about the dispute resolution process to make an informed decision. If you are an existing user, you need to log in to your CIBIL account or dashboard to raise a dispute. If you have received your CIBIL report from a third party, click on Sign Up to create your CIBIL account before raising a dispute. Log into your CIBIL account or dashboard to report any inaccuracy with your report. After logging in, access your CIBIL report either from the left navigation bar or by clicking on View Your CIBIL Report. Read through different sections for your CIBIL report in detail. If you spot any inaccuracies on your latest CIBIL report, scroll to the bottom of the page and click on Raise a Dispute. Inside CIBIL Dispute Center, you can find more information related to reporting inaccuracies. If you still wish to raise a dispute, click on Access Dispute Form. Now, select the applicable section for which you wish to file a dispute. Using an example of account section, let's show you how to raise a dispute about your account information. The process remains the same for other sections as well. Now you can find all kinds of disputes you can raise for account information in your CIBIL report. Select the dispute type by clicking Find Solution. If you are satisfied with the solution presented and don't want to raise a complaint, click on Thank you. Take me to Home page. However, if you still wish to proceed with the dispute, click on Raise a Dispute. Next, kindly fill the form with the details about the dispute and continue. You can also add disputes from other sections of your report. If all details are okay to proceed, click on Submit Dispute. And it's done. Your dispute is submitted successfully. Once you submit your dispute, CIBIL will verify it internally and route it to the relevant credit institution. Once the credit institution responds to the dispute request, CIBIL will update the changes instantly, if applicable, and communicate the status to you via email. Please note that it may take approximately 30 days to resolve a dispute, subject to the time taken by the banks and financial institution to respond.